This how to 1 minute will show you how to optimize your WordPress database with one click. Log into your WordPress dashboard and hover over on plugins and click on add new plugin. In this search plugins box, type here WP optimise and search for it. And this is the one we want. So install and activate this plugin. Once the plugin activated, in this left-hand menu, you will get WP optimise. Click on it. And here make sure to select optimizations. And now, if you want to optimize database tables, check this option. That's how you have to uncheck options from here. And now all you have to do is just click on run all selected optimizations. And that's how we can optimize our WordPress database in just one click. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe how to 1 minute. See you in the next video.